welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, of course, we are going to be doing a get ready with me. I am super excited and hyped about this get ready with me, you guys. I just love get ready with me's here in general on my channel anyways. So thank you so much to LuvMeHair for sponsoring today's get ready with me. Let's go ahead and jump into this install. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and move on to makeup, you guys. I am literally like in a rush, you guys. Today is my sister's baby shower. So I'm not even sure if I'm going to be able to go for the look that I wanted for, but we're gonna try. Okay, so I am going in, I'm trying to see if I want to use this Jaclyn Hill palette or if I want to use this other Jaclyn Hill palette, which is really pretty. I think let's just go with this one because it's smaller and I gotta hurry up, girl. Like, I really have to hurry. The first shade I'm going in with is this shade right here, this taupey shade, which is called Shh. Yes, girl. I am trying to do a million things in one, y'all. I still have to film the outro part. I still have to talk about my hair. Girl, I got a lot to do in such a little time. So we're gonna make this quick, honey. It is 2:03. My mom's saying that she's coming over to my house at 2:30. And girl, I still have to film the outro, so she's gonna have to be patient. Because I think her shower starts at 3 o'clock or 3:30. So if you watch the vlog, honey, you'll see all the behind the scenes. I can't even get it out, girl, on what's going on in my life right now. So the next shade I'm going into is just this shade right here, which is called Potion. It's a beautiful olive green shade. So I think I'm going for like a green, kind of smoky eyes, something simple. And y'all, it is pouring down, raining outside. So I am going in with this next shade right here, which is the Hunter Green color. This is called Inside Job, and it goes perfect with what I'm wearing. It goes perfect with my dress. Y'all, I'm not even using a close-up mirror. Oh my gosh, girl. So now that I have the eyeshadow pack on, I'm just going to go ahead and kind of blend it up and blend it out. So now I'm just taking this smaller blending brush and I'm just going to make sure I blend it out everywhere. And this one is just a clean blending brush with nothing on it. Now for my primer, I'm just using this CoverGirl primer. This one is the L'Oreal Fresh Wear Infallible Foundation, and I'm just blending a little bit of this foundation into my hair. And girl, that's what melts it for me. Along the lace, just to make sure that it is laid, girl. Like real deal what lace. I don't know why this foundation looks so red on me, girl. Like, I don't know how it's looking on camera. But this is not even my summer shade. This is my regular shade. And I look really dork. Ah, I look really red. What is going on, girl? Anyways, let's move on because y'all know we'll make it work. Let me go ahead and just pop my lashes on real quick. These are just some AliExpress lashes. And these are some of my favorites. These are the D108s. So for concealer, I'm using this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. This is a mattifying concealer because I need my makeup to last. I feel like I already look, girl, this is, ooh, it's hardly none of this left, honey. But I really do enjoy this concealer. I enjoy the coverage on it, and I do enjoy that it is mattifying. I'm looking in the viewfinder, girl, and I'm giving real like Crisco vibes, okay? Like I'm looking real oily with just the foundation on. So I'm just taking my beauty sponge. It is a little damp this time because I did wash my sponges. Normally I use my stuff dry, you guys. I just feel like I get better coverage and I don't have to use as much product when I use my sponges dry. This one is so big because it's wet, girl. And y'all, if I have to be honest, this is not my first choice for foundation because tonight I'm taking pictures, but girl, I didn't even think about that. Like, we're gonna make it do what it do, but honestly, any foundation with SPF is probably not the most wise thing to do when you're going to be taking pictures, but at least they're going to be indoor pictures. To set my face, I'm just going in with this Black Radiance Soft Focus Powder in the shade Creamy Beige. That's a lot better for me. I'm like, I was looking a little bit too oily. So for my bronzer, I'm just using this Morphe Glamour Bronze bronzer, and this one's in the shade Leader. So I'm just applying some bronzer to the areas where I normally like to bronze. And then for my blush, I'm just using this NYX Sweet Cheeks blush. It's the matte one in the shade Summer Breeze. And I actually don't think I'm going for any highlighter. Maybe a little, but I have just not really been into highlighter. I've just been liking a matte face. And then of course the nose snatcher. And then just a little bit of the Maybelline highlighter. Like literally teeny bit. So I am going to use some bottom liner. I'm just using this Jordana liner. It's in this really pretty green shade. It goes right along with this eyeshadow, and this don't even have a name on it, girl. So I am going to take a little bit of eyeshadow, and I'm going to use the same Inside Job deep green shade that we used earlier, just to kind of help smoke that color out just a little bit. Ooh, girl, that is so pretty. And then I'm just going to take some Better Than Sex mascara for the bottom lashes. So for lip liner, I'm just using this ColourPop liner. This was a Makeup Shayla collab. This is BFF4. So for my lip, this is just the Wet n Wild Mega Lash lipstick in Bare It All. I remember when I used to use this on my channel a minute ago, you guys, and I used to talk a lot of shit about it. But they redid the packaging and it is much better than it is now. So yeah, this is the old packaging, and thank God they redid it. It's more stable now. It's just, it looks better. I can tell it's going to last a little bit longer, and it's not going to be breaking or look like how mine look. It's really old, y'all. So this is just the Essence Lip Gloss Shine Lip Gloss. This one's in the shade So Into It. It's this beautiful nude mocha kind of shade. It's so pretty. So I'm just gonna put this right on top of what I already have going on. And then I'm just gonna take some of this gloss right here, just so that can stay, because this one is not really a thick gloss, and I love me some thick gloss. This one's super thick. This is just a Black Radiance Clear Gloss, and I'm just gonna put this right on top of everything, and this is just going to seal the deal. So I am going to really quick throw a few curls in this hair, and as you guys can see, literally this hair came like this. It came even more curlier, but I've like manipulated the curls, I've combed them out and stuff like that, but it literally came curled. Like, it was curled, like really nice curls. And honey, this homecoming. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys, I feel so beautiful. This hair is everything, y'all. Even without the baby hairs, this hair is literally everything, girl. We gonna put the hair to the front though. So you guys, now that my makeup is done, my hair is done, let's go ahead and get into the details about this unit, because this hair is literally bomb.com. So of course this hair is from LuvMeHair. This is an undetectable, invisible, glueless lace wig. It is a 13x4, so it is a lace front wig. It comes in this natural beautiful color that you guys are seeing here. And it also came with Bombshell curls already in it, you guys. I did decide to go ahead and add some extra curls to it because once I did a little plucking and stuff like that, I just feel like it needed a little bit more curls. This unit is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Hands down, this is a super beautiful unit. I love that it is super low maintenance. It was super easy to style. I did not have to do much to it. This wig is literally a throw on your head out the box type of wig, girl. LuvMeHair never ever, you guys, disappoints me when it comes to quality hair, and also it comes to their lace. Their lace is unmatched, you guys. I literally did nothing to this wig. I did not wash this wig. I did not bleach the knots. Because what I've noticed is that in my last video with LuvMeHair, I did not even need to bleach the knots on the wig. The only thing that I honestly need to do was a little bit of plucking, just a little, and also tinting the lace, because that's the only thing that I did to this unit, you guys. I literally got it out the box. I sprayed it with my lace tint right here. This is the one that I use. It's by Eben, whatever you want to call it. It is the tinted lace in medium brown. That's the shade that I use. And I literally just sprayed it. And also when I did my makeup, I did add some of my actually foundation along the lace line so that it can actually blend even more. I did go in and do a little bit of plucking, as you guys already saw. So yeah, I curled the hair, a little bit of plucking. I glued this baby on, and that was literally it, girl. Like, this is super low maintenance. I love the length. This is actually 18 inches. I have been craving for me to have a shorter kind of length, you guys. Like, I love 22, 24. Like, I love the longer lengths, but it's nothing like a classy 18-inch, honey. And as you guys can see, I actually did no baby hairs, and I love it. I was actually going to put some baby hairs in this unit, but I was like, you know what? This lace be so good. Like, LuvMeHair has some amazing melting lace. I didn't even need baby hairs, honestly, you guys. It looks so natural. It's giving scalp. Okay? LuvMeHair gives scalp. They give good lace, and they give good quality hair. I absolutely love this unit, you guys. I have not one gripe to say about this wig. LuvMeHair, they always, like, I cannot even with LuvMeHair. Like, from the lace to the customer service to the quality of the hair, where you gonna find better? Where? Let me know where you're gonna find better. I will be sure to leave my coupon code as well as their website and the direct link to this unit in my description bar below, as always. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button on your way out. I love you guys so much. Be blessed. Check out the description bar below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.